This is probably BeReal's most unique feature, and Instagram have taken it. On BeReal, you can take a picture using the front and the back camera at the same time. But now Instagram has it, and the feature is called Dual. Not only does Instagram have Dual, the front and back camera feature, but I think they've actually gone and improved it. Firstly, because unlike BeReal, you can take a still image or a video. You can place the smaller window anywhere you want on the screen and resize it, all of which you can't do on BeReal. If you don't actually know anything about BeReal or you haven't signed up yet, then I guess you might now not have to. Let me take you through using the Instagram Dual feature in your Instagram Reels. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Swipe across along the bottom to Reels. You can also use this feature in Instagram Stories. On the left-hand side, tap the down arrow to reveal more of the menu. And now tap the Dual icon, which looks like a little camera. You'll probably appear in one window and the rest of the place or environment that you're in will appear in the other window. If you wish to switch the larger and smaller frame, go to the bottom right and tap the circle arrows. You can tap and drag the smaller frame to move it around. Pinch and expand the window to make it larger or smaller. And then, when you're ready, tap the record button. If you have got BeReal, be honest, do you think that Instagram has improved this BeReal feature? Let me know what you think in the comments. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have, make sure you have tapped that like button and that you're subscribed, because there are loads more videos coming to you that are gonna help you with creating your short form videos. I'm Ray, this is Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Peace.